Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the channel. So do you wonder how you can become a successful freelance writer? So I am on several groups on Facebook of freelance writers, and there are two categories of these people, of us. Those who are successful and those who are struggling. So now if you are in the latter category and you are wondering how you can level up and become a successful freelance writer, this is your video. Guys, my name is Judith. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance and personal development. Subscribe if that is the kind of content you're looking for. Press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So now, to be a successful freelance writer, there are some of the things that you're supposed to be doing, to start doing if you're not doing them already. The first one is to get the work done. I have hired, especially my fellow Kenyans, I have hired people, and honestly speaking, it is very hard to get someone who is committed, someone who does exactly what they promise. Most of the times, you'll find someone, they want the work, they want you to send them work, but they're not ready to sit down and complete it. They will give excuses. My computer crashed, there was no internet, I had an emergency, and all those sorts of people. Of course, life happens. I am not refusing that. But now, when it becomes a habit, the client is a human being and they will get tired, honestly speaking. I do get tired at times. So, give expectations. Sorry, like when you say that you will deliver within 24 hours, make sure you deliver under 24 hours. If you say you'll deliver within 48 hours, do exactly that. And if there is anything, if there is an emergency or such a thing, make sure that you inform the client on time so that they will not be expecting you to deliver the work that you still haven't done. Also, it is good practice to start working on your project earlier. Most of us, especially my fellow Kenyans, I don't know what's wrong with us, but we love last minute things. So a client will give you 72 hours to submit your job, but now you'll start working 2 hours to the deadline. What happens? What will you do if power goes off, or I don't know, if you lost your internet or such a thing? So it is just good practice to start working on the job immediately, so that you can finish it on time and check the errors and then submit to the client. So that is one thing. Another thing, outsource. I know that veterans, those who have have been in the industry for a long time, they have a lot of clients. And it doesn't mean that you are the best, actually. It just means that maybe you know how to source them. There are also other people who are who can equally do a good job. So why don't you just outsource, and so that you can at least free up your time and work on those projects that you think need your attention more. Yeah. So another thing is collaborate. I know that we want to get all the dollars. The money is sweet, but now what if you cannot do that job for one reason or another? Maybe it is complicated for you, or maybe you have an emergency you have to attend to. What you can do is to look for someone who is good in that particular area. As long as the client is happy and will keep giving you those jobs, more jobs, I think that is the best thing that can happen to you. So don't be afraid, or don't be too selfish. Collaborate with others. We have great people that you can collaborate with. Yeah. So another thing is that one more thing that you need to do to be a successful freelance writer is that reject early. Learn how to reject work. Don't just accept as long as the client has given you work. And we have those clients who have very tight deadlines. If you cannot do it, please just reject on the spot. No need to promise to deliver and then you fail to do it. Yeah, that's it. And then the last point, fire those disturbing clients. Honestly, there are those clients that will ruin your day on a daily basis. They will send you nasty messages, emails. They will be abusive. They will use abusive language. They will fail to pay, or they will delay your payment and all that. You don't have to go through that. Remember, this is freelance, so you can always fire and look for other clients. Yeah, don't stick to one person just because. Yeah, so that's it, guys. To conclude this, the difference between someone who is successful in freelance writing and you is that that other person, the successful one, is putting in the work, and you, I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing the opposite of what the other person is doing. So I hope you have learned something. I hope you level up your game. Be proactive in looking for those clients. Don't relent. Don't get tired. Also, when you get the jobs, make sure that you deliver them on time, and then you deliver quality. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to give me that subscription. Okay, click the red button to subscribe, click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.